This one might sting a little, not because I'm coming for you, but because I'm coming for the version of you that keeps coming for you. Let's talk about the enemy that doesn't live outside your house, but right in your mind. Welcome to the dungeon, where we don't run from the truth. We turn the lights on and ask it to have a seat. I want you to be honest. Have you ever been right on the edge of something great, a new job, a new relationship, a new season, and somehow you managed to talk yourself right out of it? You prayed for the door to open, and when the door opened, you said, you know what? Let me just stay on this side. That's what we call sabotage. Enemy activity with your signature on it. Sabotage isn't loud. It's very subtle. People picture sabotage like some dramatic explosion. Nope. Most sabotage sounds like, I'll do it later. I don't feel ready. What if I fail? I don't want people looking at me. I'm waiting for the perfect time. Can I give you a quick little secret? There is no perfect time. There's just now, and all the excuses we use to avoid it. Sabotage is usually born in 4 different places. Fear of success. Some people are scared of winning because winning requires responsibility. If you grow, you gotta keep growing. Secondly, unresolved past. You can't build a future if your past is sitting in the passenger seat giving directions. 3, this is a big one, imposter syndrome. That quiet voice that says, who do you think you are? Meanwhile, God is like, my child. And here's number 4, comfort addiction. You're not lazy, you're just loyal to comfort. You've been committed to same, even when same keeps hurting you. So how does sabotage show up in real life? Let me show you how sneaky this thing is. You start strong, then disappear when it gets harder. You get close to people, then back off when they care too much. You ask for opportunities, then panic when they arrive. You create goals, then avoid doing the things that reach them. You want success, but keep dating chaos. You desire discipline, but negotiate with every boundary you set. Some of y'all have more conversations with your doubts than you do with your destiny. So let's look at the anti-sabotage system dungeon style, of course. Let me help you break this on purpose. And I promise, none of this requires perfection. It just requires honesty and forward movement. Let me give you a few steps. Step 1, catch the pattern in real time. When you feel that little voice starting up, pause. Don't obey your fear on autopilot. Ignore that voice. Step 2, interrupt the script. Interrupt that voice. When your mind says not good enough, you say that's old, and you replace it instantly with moving forward. Step 3, do the smallest possible step. Not the whole mountain, one step. Self-sabotage hates momentum. Step 4, build accountability. I don't care who it is, a friend, a mentor, a spouse, a journal. Say it loud what you're trying to do and make sure you're held accountable to getting it done. And then of course, step 5, stop predicting failure. You can't expect disaster and walk towards destiny at the same time. You are not failing because you're incapable. You're failing because you keep attacking yourself every time you get close to growth. But please hear what I'm about to say to you. You are too gifted, too called, too chosen to keep letting fear hold the pen of your life. Self-sabotage is not who you are. It's who you're used to surviving with. And it stops now. You've got to make a decision. There's a version of you 5 years from now that's already celebrating your freedom moment, already smiling at the choices that you're about to make, already thanking you for fighting past all of your fears. Sabotage had its season, but it doesn't get your future. This time, you walk forward on purpose. No apologies, no shrinking, no slamming the door on your own blessing. I'm proud of you, and I'm right here with you in the work. Welcome to the breakthrough. Welcome to the dungeon. Like the video, join the community, and share it to someone who needs help. I'll see you in the next one.